Oh my god, you're not videotaping.
Yeah.
No!
Go!
Wait, it doesn't start yet. Jeez, I'm going like 50.
And like a 20 fucking 5. You're going the wrong way to Zerby's.
Wait, I'm a cigarette.
What?
Wait till I'm done with it, okay?
What are you talking about?
You said
Oh, you can't go to Zerby's with it? Why can't you?
well, we can't smoke inside.
No, we can smoke on the way there.
Okay, I'll just turn the lights
Oh my god! We're gonna fucking die! This is what we fucking flick the lights at Walters to, isn't it? I just fucking realized that shit.
Fuck yeah.
Where the fuck did it go?
Right, her.
Dun, dun, dun. Look at that beastly car. Da, 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 da. This is what Duran tries to rave to. He like does it gangster style though, right? Am I thinking of the right thing? You're gonna headbutt the steering wheel. I remember when Dana did that. Fucking banged her.
Derby?
Yeah! What is it? Derby!
Motherfucker!
Derby! What are you doing?
Oh, look how far we are.
I'm getting out of this bitch. Ah! I'm getting out. What? Where you going? Get alcohol? Why you got 20 bucks?
Because my mom gave me 20 bucks.
What for?
Just to give me 20 bucks.
To pay you?
Yeah, take your clothes off here.
You gonna videotape it if I do?
Yeah.
Huh? You say yeah? Yes. Just kidding. She's still fucking dancing. Look at her.